Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome video. Now listen, this video is for adults only, okay? I'm going to show you how to boost up your play, okay? And this is drinking this wonderful tea. Okay. Now this tea is for both men and women, and it does different things for each one. So I'm going to show you the tea, and I'm going to also explain why and what it does, okay? You guys have been blowing up my eBay store ordering this thing, and it's so hard to even keep it on the shelf. Well, I got more in store, and yeah, if you want to know what this tea is that's going to boost up your okay, boost it up. Let's get into the video. So let me introduce you to these wonderful ingredients, and you're only going to need 2, okay? Now this is the ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is a medical herb with multiple health benefits. It can reduce anxiety and stress. It fights depression and boosts fertility and testosterone in men. Studies show that if you have type 2 diabetes, it can reduce sugar levels within 30 days and increase sperm count and motility. If you're trying to get your partner pregnant, then this herb can help. This herb will reduce body fat and also increase muscle and size in men after 30 days. Ashwagandha reduces inflammation, lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, and helps to improve brain function caused by injuries or disease. This herb is not safe for pregnant or nursing mothers or people with autoimmune diseases unless authorized by your physician. So if you have conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and type 1 diabetes, or have low sugar and blood pressure levels, check with your doctor first if you are on any medication. This powerful tea has wonderful benefits on the male sex drive and fertility, but there are also some big benefits for women too. When taken regularly, it enhances levels of female desire, stimulation, and increases the libido, lubrication, and satisfaction. Now the benefits for women is this is also called the menopause booster. Ashwagandha targets the endocrine system to balance hormones secretion and boost circulation and reduces stress, which will also help the effects of menopause such as mood swings, hot flashes, sleep disturbance, and sexual issues. There are benefits for women who lead busy and complex lives. It balances cortisol energy and mood by targeting cortisol production and stops it from spiking. It reduces stress and depression and anxiety. This herb is also known as the ENERGIZER. Sometimes we need a little bit of support to get over those stressful, busy lives. As an adaptogen, ashwagandha boosts energy and revitalizes our body without the artificial highs we get from drinking caffeine, which will help stimulate the body's natural energy levels. This also balances hormones and thyroids. The thyroid gland is very important for normal functioning of the body. It's an endocrine gland in the neck just by the Adam's apple. It produces essential T3, T4 hormones which need to be balanced in order for all cells in the body to work and perform as they should. The biology behind this is complicated, but basically an overactive thyroid will lead to weight gain and lethargy. As a powerful aphrodisiac, it has a potent effect on male sex drive and fertility, as well as the female desire, arousal, stimulation, lubrication, and satisfaction. This herb will also stimulate breast growth and is found in breast enlargement dietary supplements. When taken before bed, it can help with sleep. So this tea has awesome benefits for your body, for both men and women, okay? Not just your sexual ability, but also your overall. I also have the root form that you can boil, okay? But today we're going to be working with the powder. Now this powder has so many awesome benefits. Next, we're going to sweeten it with some of this Tongkat Ali honey, okay? And this has horny goat weed extract in it. And this is an awesome honey that's going to enhance your drink for both the men and the women. And I'm going to tell you a little something about it right now. This Tongkat Ali with horny goat weed extract is a 5-in-1 herb. This is honey goat, Maca powder, long jack, Tongkat Ali, Uwambi ginseng, as well as so many other healing herbs. This also has black seed oil in it, as well as licorice and saw pimento. This is powerful. Now this increases the time of your play. It increases the size of your eggplant, increases sexual pleasure and drive, improve the mood, and greater daily energy levels. It also prolongs your eggplant and delays your happy ending, okay? I'm trying to go around YouTube. This gives confidence and pumps up the strength to achieve a great, strong eggplant standing time, and it does a lot, okay? It just does a lot. This is going to strengthen the male organ as well as the women. It's going to help with your mood, and it's going to boost your libido as well as your pleasure and drive. And I'm telling you, this is great. It's going to also prevent premature happy endings, and it's just a full packed honey that's going to boost you up. It has all of the boosting herbs included in this honey. It has long jack, the uwambi bark. These are all herbs and roots that boost up the male organ, and also the mood and the longevity and the stamina and firmness. This is powerful. I also have this in my eBay store for sale. So gentlemen, ladies, buy your honeys, okay? So this is another wonderful ingredient that we will be using inside of this tea. All right, so let's get back to the video. So all we're going to really be working with today is just 2 simple ingredients. Now I have my small pot boiling on the stove, and when it's ready, we'll be right back. So now that my water is finished boiling, we're just going to add that into the cup. Then we're going to add in a half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of our ashwagandha powder. So here's 1/2 teaspoon. And now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of our Tongkat Ali. Okay. Now what you can do is wait for it to cool off a little bit before actually adding in the Tongkat Ali, because it has wonderful ingredients. It has wonderful honeys. It has jelly in it. It has manuka honey in there. It has that jelly that enhances your mood. Okay. And if you really wanted to, you can also put a little cinnamon in this if you choose, just to add a little more flavor. But this is an awesome aphrodisiac tea that is going to enhance you. Okay? You stir that in really, really well. It's best that you put it in warm. Oops, I still feel some at the bottom. Because it's the jelly itself is in a solid form, so it's going to take a little time for it to actually dissolve. But there you have it, you guys, your wonderful tea. Now what you do is you drink this in the evening. Okay, this is an evening tea. And you drink this every day if you'd like. Okay, it's safe, it's natural, and it does so much more for your body besides enhancing. But I tell you, this is delicious tea for both men and women, so you can enjoy it together. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want the ingredients, the natural honeys, you can look down below in the eBay store for the tongue at Ali, as well as the ashwagandha powder. Look down below in the eBay store, as well as the links in the Amazon affiliate store for the personal size and the full size NutriBullet blenders, as well as the metal straws. Okay, so you guys, don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, family vlogs, family challenges, vlogs, and more. Alright? And you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Vlogs, introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.